Hi everyone, this is the Scout 22-1000. I'm going to show you another card trick today. And here it goes. Right here I have 6 different pieces of paper with numbers on them. This one has 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. I'm just going to pick them up. And we're going to give them a shuffle. And we're going to pick a random one. So we'll pick this one. Okay? And this one is number 11. Okay? So what we're going to do is I'm just going to give this deck a cut, okay? And we're going to take some cards, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're just going to take 8 cards, for example. Okay, so we're going to leave 11 right here and take out the rest. So here's the 11. And then we're going to do 2 different types of shuffles to these cards, which is first the inverse Pharaoh shuffle, where you in-jog, out-jog, strip out the out-jog cards and place them on top. So we're going to do again, in-jog, out-jog, in-jog, out-jog, in-jog, out-jog, and then just strip out the out-jog cards and place them on top. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, an overhand shuffle. Okay, and then we can give it as many cuts as we'd like. Okay, and I know, guys, Father's Day is coming up and everyone's real excited for it. So this is a Father's Day themed card trick. It's my own variation of a different card trick. So here we go. I will give you the tutorial after this. This is just the performance. Okay, and here we go. So now I've given it some cuts, and so we want to ask the spectator, what do you want, the bottom card or the top card? So they say the bottom card, for example, and we'll take this one, and it's a 4, the 4 of diamonds. Okay, so right now we have the 4 diamonds. So now, since this is a Father's Day trick, we're going to use 2 fathers. And we're going to place 1 father on top and 1 father on the bottom. So now fathers are basically what keeps the family running. They help with everything. So the father knows that a family is incomplete sometimes. That's the same thing with these fathers. And so what these fathers are going to do is they're going to find the missing family member. So since we have 4 and 11, we're going to go through and see the kings have sandwiched 1 card, and that 1 card is 7. 7 plus 4 equals 11. So these 2 kings, the fathers, knew that this family wasn't complete because they didn't equal the amount that they usually do. So that's my Father's Day themed card trick. I hope you enjoyed it, and here's the tutorial. So what we're going to need are, of course, a deck of cards, okay, and then you're going to need a slips of paper, 6 of them, and you're going to need 13, 9, 7, so 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, or 19, okay? Or basically just all the odd numbers between 8 and 20, okay? So then what you're going to need is you're going to need a setup, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king. So you're going to need all these, okay? Ace through king, but it doesn't matter what suit, okay? And then you're going to need 2 kings. So how you're going to set this up is you're going to set this up with the 2 kings flipped over, okay? And you're going to stack these up and place them on top of the deck so that the ace is on top, okay? And now here's the key. You can shuffle up these cards, okay? So we'll just pick a random one. So we'll go with 5, or 15. So 15. And now here is where I'm going to stop and show you something, okay? So right here, it says 9, 0, 11, 1, 13, 2, 15, 3, 17, 4, and 19, 5. Okay? You might not be able to see that, but that's what it says. So since we choose 15, we're going to undercut 3 cards since it goes 15, 3. So 15, 3 is means that we're going to double undercut 3 cards. So here we go. So what you want to do is just fan through the cards, and on the third one, you want to get your pinky right underneath there and close it up again. And then you want to do a cut. So you want to change this to a thumb break, okay? So then you do a cut, and then grab the 3 cards, pulling them onto the bottom, and then cutting it again, so that now we have the 3 cards that were originally on top, on bottom, so at ace, 2, and 3. So now the top card should be a 4. There we go. It's a 4. So now what we're going to do is we take 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You always take 8 cards. And then you're going to do 2 inverse Pharaoh shuffles, like this. I might be uploading a video quite soon about how to do the inverse Pharaoh shuffle. It just looks like that. You close it up, and then take the ones that are away from you and place them on top. Okay, so you're going to do that twice. So here we go. 1, 2, so that's 2. Trip out the outjog cards. And then you're going to do an overhand shuffle where it's just peeling off the top card. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 4 and then drop the rest on top. Okay, and so now you can give it as many cuts as you want, and it doesn't matter how many. Okay, so here we go. So now you have 15, and then you can ask them if they want the top or the bottom. Top or bottom doesn't matter, so we'll take the bottom, and it equals 8. So now we're going to place the kings. We're going to explain that they're the fathers, and the fathers know that the 8 doesn't equal 15. So what they're going to do is they're going to find the other card that makes it equal 15, which would be the 7. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a down under deal, which is where you take the top card, place it underneath, deal down the next card, take the next top card, place it underneath, deal down the next one, and keep doing that until you have no cards left. There we go. Okay, so then you can snap your fingers, whatever you want to do, and the card that will be sandwiched will make the other card equal 15. I hope you enjoyed that trick. This is Scout 22 1000 signing out.